Why do 80% of Samsung users face voice message problems on WhatsApp? Let's find out. First, check your phone's volume. Make sure it's not muted, especially if you're rocking those headphones. Next, ensure your network connection is strong. Weak internet? No voice messages. Now head over to your settings and verify WhatsApp has permission to use your microphone. No permission, no voice messages. Still having trouble? Test your microphone using another app. If it works there, it should work here. Update WhatsApp to the latest version. An outdated app can cause all sorts of issues. Restart the app to clear out any glitches. Clear WhatsApp's cache. Sometimes, a good cleanup is all you need. Check if other apps are hogging the microphone. Close them or disable temporarily. Using Bluetooth headphones? Make sure they're properly paired and not muted. If all else fails, restart your phone. And if the problem persists, reach out to WhatsApp support. There you have it. Quick and easy fixes to get your WhatsApp voice messages working again.